Hi everyone, I'm Sam, and today what we're going to learn is how to let your robot follow a line. First off, we need a robot, one that you've made with a color sensor, works fine, as well as a USB cord. First off, let's connect this to our USB cord. To our computer, yeah. Now we want to open our EV3 Lego Mindstorms program in our computer, and let's open it up. And now we have our old program, my first program from my previous videos, and now we have follow a line. As you can see, we had our old follow a line program, but now we are going to open up a new one and name it follow a line 2. You can see our port view. We have BC in large motors, and then we have 2 light sensors, or color sensors as you can call them, connected to ports 1 and 3. This is what our robot looks like, and we want to test our colors for 1 and 3. As you can see, the light reflected is 103. Now it's 169. Now we have a blank slate here. First off, we want a loop. And a new block that we're introducing today. We have our yellow blocks, which are our sensor blocks, and now we have a color sensor measure. The first one is measure reflected light intensity. Now, what we want is a red one. We want to go to a math block. It's the 5th one from the left. A red math block. From now, we want to go to advanced. Connect our light sensor input to B. This means the value that B receives is the value that the light sensor, or color sensor as you like to call it, is receiving. Now what we want to do is we want to get a move steering block into our program inside the loop. And this equal sign, let's move it to our let's move it to the directional input, and let's put this motor on. On means it's going to keep rotating. Now we want to measure our reflected light intensity and how much it is. So what we can do is, on the robot, we want to go to our port view, which is the 3rd box on the top, and go to port view. Now we can see what our motors, or what our sensors are actually picking up. Right now we want to measure our first sensor on the black, and as you can see, it's 8. But what we really want is the one in the middle, which is in between the black tape and the white paper, and what we have is 26. For A, on our math block, we want to put 26 as our value. And for C, we want to put -1. and add our equation, we want to tweak it a little bit so this works. Now we have a plus b minus c times d. But we actually want to change that to become what we get now is going to be parentheses a minus b parentheses times c. Make sure it's lowercase so the values will be equal to the values inside. So a, b, c, d will be equal. You can see the math on the screen. And now we have our program. Now we can try running our program. Actually, first we can test the color reflect again. Right here we have our speed, and let's turn it slower to about 25. Actually, let's set it to 17 instead. Make sure all the blocks are connected once again inside the loop. Let's actually turn it back to 25. Let's input 25 into our speed. Now, to download our program, again, let's plug in our USB cord to our PC port on the EV3 brick. And as you can see, the information of the brick will pop up as immediately after the computer picks it up. Let's now download it and listen for the sound. Now, let's go try it out. Now to try it, we will pick my first program, follow a line. As you can see, it's clearly following this line, and even after that, it has turned to follow the line as fast as it can. Now we have completed our program. See you next time, guys. Classic iconic spin right here.